Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Dela Putri with student ID number 223411152 from class MNJ 23B. Today I'm going to explain the topic of transfer pricing. Introduction. Transfer pricing refers to the pricing of goods, service, or intangible asset change between different units within the same organization. This is especially common in companies with multiple divisions or subsidiaries. It plays a key role in internal coordination and managerial performance evaluation. Purpose of transfer pricing. The primary purpose of transfer pricing is to fairly evaluate the performance of each business unit, promote operational efficiency, and support internal discussion and making. It also serves an mechanism to allocate revenue and costs accurately within an organization. Next, transfer pricing methods. There are several approaches to setting transfer price. One method is market-based pricing, which use external market price as a reference. Another is cost-based pricing, where the transfer price is determined based on production cost, possibly including a markup. Third option is negotiated pricing, where unit agree on a price through internal negotiation. Next, role in management control system. Transfer pricing is a critical component management control system because it directly affects the profitability report by each division. Will design a transfer pricing policy motivate manager to perform actively ensure goal alignment across departments and enhances overall coordination within the organization. Uh, Next, concept illustration. For example, when on division products, a product and transfer it to another division, the agreed transfer price impact the profits of both division if the price is set too high or too low. It can create distortion in performance assessment. Therefore, the price must reflect famous and support the company overall objective. Next, practical challenge. Implementing transfer pricing can be challenging, especially when perceived as unfair by one or more units. Internal conflicts may arise, and if not managed carefully, it can reduce cooperation. Additionally, transfer pricing must comply with tax regulation, particularly in multinational setting where it can be scrutinized by tax authorities. Next, transfer pricing and tax. Transfer pricing is closely motivated by tax authorities because it can be used to shift profits to low tax jurisdictions. To prevent these companies must adhere to the arm's length principle, which states the transfer price shall be equivalent to the price they will be charged between unrelated parties in the open market. Next, effective implementation strategies. To implement transfer pricing effectively, companies should ensure transparency in their pricing policy and maintain thorough documentation. Cross-functional collaboration between finance, accounting, and legal department is essential. The select method shall align with the company structure, business strategy, and regulatory requirement. Conclusion. Transfer pricing is not just about setting internal price. It is a tool for control, motivation, and compliance. When applied properly, it supports performance evaluation, enhances internal incentives, and ensure that the company operates effectively while staying within legal and ethical boundaries. That is all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.